Hey everyone, it's me Smeen here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share this beautiful mehndi eye makeup tutorial with makeup tips and tricks. So if you are ready, let's get started. Before applying makeup, wash your face and apply face oil or moisturizer and leave it for 5 minutes for best result. I am using this set of makeup brushes. You can check this video on my YouTube channel. First, I am using this beautiful orange peach soft shade and I am applying this shade on crease. Blending is the key of stunning makeup, so don't miss it. With a wet brush, I will apply highlighter. I will highlight inner corner and brow bones of my eye. I will share the best lipstick shade with this makeup as well, so keep watching till the end. Now I will blend both to get a smooth look. I will take this beautiful yellow metallic shade, applying on lid area. Metallic shades work really good when the finger is wet. Now time to apply eyeliner. I'm using Kashi's super black eyeliner. I will apply winged eyeliner but not a big one. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny my heart is always... Now I am applying on inner corner to give a really good and beautiful look. Next I am using Kashi's white gel eyeliner on my waterline to enhance the beauty of this makeup. I am using this trick for beginners to apply my false lashes. Applying my lash glue with a stick on my liner. It is super easy and great for beginners for applying lashes. Let it dry for 30 seconds. Now I am applying mascara on my own lashes to get a natural look. Now put the false lashes on lash glue and enjoy. As you can see, it's super cool trick. Applying same orange peachy color on my own lower lash line. If you are new, please subscribe my channel for more and press the bell icon. Now don't forget to apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. Now let's do a magic to apply a glitter on this yellow shade. I mix the glitter with a hair gel. You can use sealer with this glitter. This will give you a really beautiful look. Here is the final look of mehndi eye makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this look. Please subscribe for more and don't forget to like and share my video with your friends and family and press the bell icon for the next video. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Here I am sharing the perfect lipstick shade with this makeup. Take care. Bye. Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny my heart is always with you. My head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go.